Hi guys, today I will show you how to get permission to access this folder. Open the Run tab. Now type gpedit.msc and click OK. Now expand Windows Settings. Expand Security Settings. And expand Local Policies. Now click on Security Options here. Scroll down. In here, disable User Account Control. Admin Approval Mode for the built-in administrator account. And User Account Control. Run all administrator in Admin Approval Mode. Now restart your computer. Now you can access this folder.